Hi, welcome to WGDP's sprint update for sprint ending June 9th. In this sprint, we delivered a number of stories and developed an end-to-end flow for payments with an ability to make a deposit, see receipts, view payment dashboard, generate a plan statement, and then generally improving the lookup, search, and flow of the payments module. We partially uploaded the data from the existing system. However, there were some missing data that we are still waiting to receive that we will completely upload in the next sprint. On the new partner onboarding, we disabled some of the community features, internationalized more pages, customized the colors and themes, added multi-tenant task URLs, and had implemented a few bug fixes. My primary responsibility was getting the end-to-end flow of the payments developed. And in next sprint, I will be working more on the adoption of it with our client. I also led on the soft launch and testing with OneGuard at Cedar Marzahn, and then lastly, supported the responses to an RFP. In the sprint, our admin activity has generally been trending up. However, the gate access and security is trending down. My goal is to do a deeper dive into what are the features that are most used by admins and learn from that, and on the drop, and then just better understand what is causing the drop in the gate access and security activity, and hope to incorporate some of the feedback on the gate and access and security into the into the following sprints, and make sure that and any of the updates make it in with the current development that we're doing for the guard flow. For next sprint, we are continue to work on some of the invoice, we should just call it payments now, on some of the payments flow. Some of this includes the feedback that we have received from the initial round of demo with Nkwashi, and we are going to make fixes to the statements. As I said earlier, also complete the data upload. We will improve the flow of the payment management dashboard, add some features on auto-generating a PDF name so admins can easily save the files. Just generally improve the navigation between payments and plan screens, and then start the design on accepting multiple payments, make updates to the payment management screen, and some detail modals. On Cedar Marzahn guard flow updates, after we had a lot of learnings from the testing with the guard last week, and based on those learnings, we have quite a few improvements to the application, including improving the general UI of grant and deny, adding some better elements on user experience. So when somebody grants access, it's confirmed that they have been logged. Internationalize the search language, set some fields on manual entry as required, add free text fields on common reasons people are going in and out, or common observations when people are going in and out, and then have add a few more features into the design. On the customer journey insights, this is a request from our CSM team that ties in directly to our residency goal, and we want to understand the current count of residents that are in our system and add that to the user journey customer journey dashboard that we already have, and then being able to filter the customer journey dashboard based on a selection of a tile, seeing how many users are within that, and then download the CSV on the user screen. In the following sprint, my focus is really going to be on leading the adoption of our payments feature and making sure that Nkwashi is comfortable and feeling confident with using the end-to-end flow. I will also be leading on conducting a guard training with Ciudad Marzan next week, and then internally planning some new product processes with our customer success and engineering teams, iterating on the product operations dashboard, and creating a plan for the next quarter's product roadmap. And that's all for me. Thank you for listening.